Welcome. We are visiting the values of seven hypercube formats, 16 sutras, and 13 upsutras, in all 36 basic reservoir of values. We are using these 36 sources for the values
बढ़िया खान
to
वो 20
settle,
ग्लास में डाल
to settle the Vedic mathematics syllabi. The instructions which are to be imparted as a main discipline of knowledge. Therefore, today our focus is to remain as to how the seven geometric formats hypercubes 1 to 7 are to extend to the next hypercube 8 format. See, we have up till this time visited the four folds of hypercubes 1 to 7 and the geometries of 1 to 7 space. The hypercube 7 at next phase is to take us to hypercube 8. Hypercube 8 as such will be a four folds 6, 7, 8 and 9. The summation value of these four folds of hypercube 8 will be 30. The value 30 is the value of Samhita, the Vedic knowledge, the Vedic literature is having prime source as Samhitas. Rigved Samhita, Yajurved Samhita, Samved Samhita, and Atharved Samhita. Ved in the form of books would mean Samhitas. So, Samhita is the formulation which is of value 30. This value 30 is parallel with the four folds of hypercube 8. These four folds are 6, 7, 8 and 9. Summation value is 30. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic knowledge, Vedic mathematics, Vedic science, Vedic technologies have to jump from hypercube 7 to hypercube 8. It, in other language, would mean to have a transcendence from pole star ahead into eightfold nature. So, the existence phenomenon with pole star as origin of sixth space is to take us to the natural fold. It is going to be hypercube 8. It is going to be the Samhitas. Therefore, the Vedic mathematics, Vedic knowledge, Vedic systems will take us to the order of the Vedas as Samhitas only if we will be comprehending well and we will be processing out hypercube 8. Now see, the value 30 as hypercube will lead us to 61 geometries. 2 into 30 plus 1 is 61. Now see what geometric format is emerging. We have hypercube 8 as value 30 as a samhita. Now this samhita as geometric format as hypercube 30 will be taking us to 61 geometries. Now 30 into 61 is 1830. It is this geometric structural reach of the geometric format as of value 1830. It is the value which is going to be the value of Lagd, Yajurved, Jyoti Samhita. The Vedic systems, Vedic knowledge will take from Samhitas to Vedangas. So to reach from Ved as Samhita to Vedang as Samhita. So the education, the learning is going to be a learning which will have a bridging of from Samhita to the Vedanga. Therefore, the instructions, the course is to take us to these geometric formats. Now see, the Hypercube 8 is a geometric format of value 1830, which is parallel to the total shlokas values of the Lagd Yajurved Jyotish Vedanta. We, if we want to have a glimpse of in what form the Vedic textbooks are available, the Vedic textbooks have reached. So, Lagd Yajurved Jyoti Vedang is one such scripture. It is one such Vedanga. It is a Vedic text. Now, to read this Vedic text, we have to be through the way Vedic knowledge is organized on geometric format. We have seen that Hypercube 7 is a fourfold 5678 of summation value 26, and value 26 is the value of a Devata. Therefore, Devatas as such are the Jyoti mathematical domains of the existence phenomenon of our solar universe, which is being chased, processed, and imbibed by the Vedic mathematics, Vedic systems, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies. So sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic knowledge, Vedic systems, Vedic mathematics, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies, have to approach Vedic mathematics the Vedic mathematics way. The Vedic mathematics way is to approach the existence phenomenon of our solar universe with pole star at its origin as of the format of Hypercube 7. Now, Hypercube 7 has a fourfold manifestation layer 5, 6, 7, 8 of summation value 26 will lead to Hypercubes 26 of 53 geometries, and these 53 geometries of Hypercube 6 will lead us to value 26 into 53 is 1378. This is the way the Vedic knowledge is organized upon geometric format. So the astronomy of the reach of the pole star is going to be of the geometric format of value 1378, which is the value of Hypercube 7 as a fourfold manifestation layer 5, 6, 7, 8, and this takeoff from the pole star into eightfold nature will be of 26 geometries, and ultimately the total geometric format structures to be worked out and chased are going to be 1378. Like this, we can come a step ahead to our solar universe sun, a six-space body, Hypercube 6 format of fourfold manifestation layer 4, 5, 6, 7 of value 22. This value 22 is the value which will take us to Hypercube 22 of 45 geometries, and 22 multiplied by 45 as such will take us to the value 990. We step ahead to a fifth element, Akash Tattva, as Hypercube 5 as fourfold manifestation layer 3, 4, 5, 6 of summation value 18, which as Hypercube 18 is leading to 37 geometries, and the geometric format of space value is going to be 666. Let us have a pause here. This number 666 is a Bible number, and in Bible this number is taken to be a devil's number, means when the space is going to be approached in such a way which is not of the Jyoti way, then this value is going to be the ultimate limitation, and to take off from this space is not going to be possible. Therefore, the Vedic mathematics is of values which will help us reach from this space to be beyond in the next galaxies, and this reach to have for the next galaxies is possible only if we will be adopting the format of hypercube of 5. We know the four folds of hypercube 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 18. We know there are 18 disciplines of yoga of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Further, also we know that it is a divine song. This divine song is the enlightenment of Shri Bhagavan. The formulation Shri Bhagavan is of TC value 37. Let us have a pause. Let us sit comfortably and let us be face to face with it as to how the Vedic systems, the Vedic knowledge are precisely chasing the existence phenomenon upon the geometric format of hypercube of 5. And it is this chase which is the chase of the organization of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Therefore, the students, the sadhakas, the fulfilled of the necessity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems shall reach from Samhitas to Jyoti Vedanga to Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This way, when we'll come more nearer to our physical manifestations, it will take us to hypercube 4, the creators of space. It is of 4 folds, 2, 3, 4, 5 of summation value 14, and hypercube 14 is of geometry 29. We know value 29 is the value of Brahma, creator. So creator Brahma is of value 29. Therefore, when we want to approach this existence phenomenon as manifested creations of the creator's space of hypercube 4 format, then we have to approach it as fourfold manifestation layer 2, 3, 4, 14, with hypercube 14 itself of 29 geometries, and the format ultimately is going to of a value for 406. More nearer, when we will be coming to the manifested bodies, we will be coming to the physical matter. It will be of hypercube 3 format as a fourfold manifestation layer 1, 2, 3, 4 of summation value 10, which is parallel to the 10 directional flow of the physical matter. Value 10 as hypercube 10 will take us to 21 geometries. So the format of the manifested domains as such is going to be a value 210. We know 210 is equal to 21 multiplied by 10. And we also know 21 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Therefore, the entire physical matter manifesting within our space for formating the Jyoti flow from the sun is the reach of this format. Therefore, we shall absorb these values. Now, as far as the Ganita Sutras and Upsutras are concerned, see, the text of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras, when is focused for their last letters. The first sutra, Ekadikin Purve, is having its end 16th letter or the first vowel of TC value 1. Now the second sutra, Nikhlim Namaska Charman Dashyata, is having the last is 28th letter being Visarjaniya of value 13. So they reach up till the pair of last letters, the first two slokas will be up to 1 to 14. And like that, when we'll reach, we'll say we have reached up to 211. One shall sit comfortably and make a specific tabulation of the last letters of 16 sutras and 13 upsutras and see this value will be coming to 211. We have just seen that the format of the physical matter as three-space domain within our universe is going to be of value 210. Now, eka adhikena purved. So if we want to transcend, if we want to reach a step ahead of this physical manifestation, then we have to go a step ahead of the value 210. So this 210 will take us to value 211. And this value 211 is the value of the TC values of all the 16 sutras and 13 upsutras. As such, the sadhakas shall sit comfortably and to be face to face with this organization format features of Ganita Sutras with a working initiation rule of one more than before, and the same will take us from the physical manifested three space domains of value 210 to their next transcendence reach of value 211. With this background, now we can proceed further and see that the 9 numerals, the Mool Ank, the basic numbers 1 to 9, are also having one feature which is being focused today. The numbers 1 to 9 are having their internal structure as the number of factors which constitute these values. So 1 is having only 1 as a factor and so on. 2 is also having 2 as a factor. 3 is also having 3 as a factor. But when we reach the fourth step, one step beyond the three space physical setup, then here we are having 2 factors. Then 5 is again having 1 factor, 6 is having 2 factors, 7 is having 1 factor, 8 is having 3 factors, 9 is having 2 factors. See, in the column 3, we just mentioned the number of the factors of values 1 to 9. And then in the last column, we have added how many are the factors. See, the total factors of all the 9 numbers 1 to 9 is 14. And we have seen that value 14 is the summation value of 4 folds 2, 3, 4, 5 of hypercube 4, a 4 space body, a creator space. Therefore, these 9 numbers, as these are having their internal organization of the format of the creators of space. Secondly, value 9 is parallel to 9 geometries of 4 space. Value 9 is also parallel to the 9 versions of hypercube 4. Therefore, when we shall approach the inherent organizational values of Mool Ank, then we shall also visit their internal organization. And this visit of internal organizations is going to be a visit to their factors, how the basic values 1 to 9 and their factors 1 to 14 are providing us structural formats. And in this context, when we will have a summation value of 1 to 9, it will give us 45. So 45 is 15 into 3, and 1 more than before, it will take us to 15 multiplied by 4, it is 60. See, the summation value of factors 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12 and 14 is 60. See how the Vedic mathematics is having a reach up till the internal organization of these numbers values, and further see that we are having 45 as a value 1 to 9, which is the TC value of Nav Brahm. And further there are 14 factors, which is the value of the summation of the creator space hypercube 4, and 45 plus 14 is 59. And you know there are precisely 59 uvachas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a divine scripture of four participants, Dhritarashtra and Sanjay, Lord Krishna, Shri Bhagavan, and Arjun. These four participants of this divine dialogue are having for 59 punctuations. It is at 59 times that these four participants speak, participate. So this participation of the four participants of divine dialogue are as per the internal organization of these Mool Ang. In this context and in this background, now let us revisit the Jyoti Vigyan. The Jyoti flows from the orb of the sun, where is the seat of the pole star, its origin. Now see these things. Pole star is of a format of hypercube 7. This is a raised to power 7 is to 14 b raised to power 6. You know 14 is the summation value of the factors of 1 to 9. It is of 4 folds 2, 3, 4, 5. Further, there are 14 manvantras, there are 14 manus. Then this hypercube 7 is a damru. It is the reach on sound frequencies of a space shabd vigyan. Now in this context, when we will see that the six space as a boundary component of hypercube 7, when six space will strip off, it will dimensionalize the outer space as 8 space, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 30. It will become a samhita, and when this will do it, it will take us, as we have seen, to 1830 as structural components. And these are the precisely components which are being chased by Lagd Yajurved Jyotir Vigyan. This scripture is a text. If we want to be parallel with the way the knowledge stands organized, the knowledge has reached us, knowledge is to be appreciated, knowledge is to be imbibed, knowledge is to be taken for the values which have reached us, then we have to sit comfortably and we have to pool our experience and knowledge so that we can have textbook writing project. And the ideal form here in the context, let us take the very first shloka of Lagd Yajurved Jyotish Vigyan. Now it says, Panch Vansar Yuga Dikshe Prajapatin. Now Prajapati is the creator. So our pratigya, our initial explanation for our reach should be that we will respect the creations, we will respect the creator, we will reach at the knowledge as there is a creation of the creator. It shall be the pratigya. It is with this initial Solomon declaration that the textbook writing is to proceed. Therefore, today we can visit the way the Vedic knowledge has reached us, and it has reached us as values of 9 moolank, 9 basic elements, value of 7 geometric formats. This is Ganita Sutra 1. Ekadhikain is of 9 letters composition, and Purvain is of 7 letters composition. So this 9 numbers, values, and 7 geometric formats are the essential reservoirs in terms of which and along which we have to chase the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras. This is called Yoga Nishtha and Sankhya Nishtha. Sankhya Nishtha means we will work with the numbers 1 to 9, but we will presume the existence of hypercubes 1 to 7. And the Yoga Nishtha is we will presume the existence of numbers 1 to 9, but we will work along the geometric formats of hypercubes 1 to 7. Thank you very much.